Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to disable the keyboard on your laptop PC in Windows 11 or 10. Now, this will work with any Windows 11 or 10, and all you need to do is come to the search box here and search out for Device Manager. After just putting DE, Device Manager should be best match. So we'll select that here at the very top. Once Device Manager loads up, we want to find the keyboard here and press this little arrow here to drop it down. Some people will have multiple different options here. I only have two, and you want to do this on the both options. You want to highlight it, then right click and select uninstall device, and then again. And you want to do that on the amount of keyboards that are listed. Some people may have 4 or 5. I only have 2. So once you've done that, the keyboard will not work. However, when you restart the computer, these drivers will automatically be found and downloaded, and the keyboard will start working again. So how do we get around that? What we want to do is we want to follow this step again, come to Device Manager, right click, uninstall device. Then what we need to do is come back to the search box once we've done that. Don't restart this time, and we want to search out for change device installation settings. And again, it should auto populate once you've wrote change device. And you can see it here. Let's select it as it's the best match, change device installation settings. Then you want to select no here, because this will then stop it automatically downloading the keyboard software to make it work. And then when you restart, the keyboard will not work. So that's how to disable the keyboard on a laptop PC in Windows 11 or 10. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.